Right now, inside your body, 30,000 of your own cells just died. And guess what? You didn't even feel it. They disappear quietly every second while you're breathing, talking, or even smiling. But here's the shocking part. Your body wants them to die. Every second you're alive, your body is destroying itself on purpose. Your skin, your blood, even your heart, all losing cells non-stop. But if dying is so normal inside you, what keeps you alive? What if I told you your body has its own death and rebirth factory running 24/7 inside every organ you have? Imagine looking inside your arm right now. Billions of tiny workers, your cells are building, repairing, and fighting. But at the same time, another army of cells is shutting down, breaking apart, and disappearing into nothing. This is called apoptosis, your body's way of saying your time is up. Each one knows when to die before it turns dangerous. Every second, around 30,000 of your cells die, mostly skin, blood, and gut cells. That's nearly 2.5 billion every day. But don't panic, your body replaces them just as fast. Your skin cells live only about 2 weeks. Your red blood cells? About 4 months. Your stomach lining? Just 5 days before it's rebuilt from scratch. You're basically a walking recycling machine, made of old parts, constantly being replaced by new ones. Now imagine if this system failed for even 1 minute. Old, damaged cells would pile up like toxic waste. Your organs would swell, your tissues would rot, and your immune system would panic. That's how cancer begins, when one cell refuses to die. One rebel in a crowd of billions. That's all it takes. So when your body kills 30,000 cells a second, it's not destruction, it's maintenance. It's your built-in security system keeping you safe from your own biology. But here's the miracle part. Every time one cell dies, another rises to replace it, born from your stem cell. Tiny, shapeless builders that can transform into anything your body needs. You fall, you bleed, you heal, because these hidden workers never stop. They rebuild your cuts, your bones, your memories. Yes, even brain cells repair tiny connections while you sleep. Your body is like a city that never sleeps, demolishing old buildings and raising new ones every second. Here's something you'll never forget. Half the dust in your room is you. Tiny flakes of your dead skin floating in the air you breathe right now. Every time you clean your desk, you're wiping away millions of your past selves. Your body is built on a beautiful contradiction to stay alive. Something inside you must always die. Every breath you take, every blink, every heartbeat is powered by sacrifice. 30,000 tiny deaths every single second, and somehow all that destruction adds up to you. Now imagine, what if one tiny cell inside you decided to never die again? Would it make you immortal or destroy you from the inside? That's what we'll uncover in the next episode of Hidden Inside You.